Good day, everyone. I am here to give an example about the Cipolletti Weir. It is from the chapter 6 of Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics, the fluid flow measurement. So, the area of the measured head is in a channel is equal to 0.012 meter. Compute the percent of error in discharge if a Cipolletti weir has a length of a weir of 4.5 meter. Considering the discharge flowing in the channel is 0.50 cubic meter per second. So first thing we need to do is to write the givens. So the givens are initial discharge is equals to 0.50 cubic meter per second. The area of head is equals to 0.012 meter and the length is equals to 4.5 meter. Now, in solving Cipolletti weir, we need to consider that the discharge is equals to 1.859 LH raised to 3 halves in SI units. So, after that, we need to get the initial head, which we are going to use the Cipolletti weir equation. So, you just need to substitute the value for the uh, initial discharge and the length. So 0.50 cubic meter per second is equals to 1.859, the value of L times 4.5 and H raised to 3 halves. So our initial head is 0.15 meter. So since we already had a initial head, we need also we also need to get the final head. So in getting the final head, we need to consider the error of the head. So 0.15 meter plus 0.012 meter. So the answer is the final head is equals to 0.16 meter. Now after that, we also need to get the final discharge. So in finding the final discharge, we need to use the Cipolletti weir equation and substitute the values rather. So final discharge is equals to 1.859 times 4.5 times 0.16 raised to 3 halves. So our final discharge is equals to 0.54 cubic meter per second. Since the question here in our equation is to compute the percent of error in discharge, so we need to get the percent of error in discharge. So the equation for that is equals to final discharge minus initial discharge all over initial discharge. So substitute the value. We have 0.54 minus 0.50 all over 0.50 times 100% is equals to 0.08 or 0.6 or 8%. So 8% is our final answer. Thank you for watching.